So yes guys, finalizing this work here, so I'll just take out this one here, which is the most people is, get their difficulty seeing the angle with their difficult there. I have to get the right tools, I have to get this here, I have to get right length so I can stretch back there and get to it. I already clean off the surface. Let's double check. See how we look in there. And clean this camera. See what's going on there. Focus in here. So see this one here? This one done set. So same procedure. This part here have to face outward. This part here goes on the frame of the block, on the block itself. So let us to finalize this work here. So just remember guys, just once you have the right tools, you can do this work here. So 1, 2, 3. Right. I ain't have tools. I have to go and get my cousin tools. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's why drivers, don't be afraid. I'm just in a small kit that has everything. Try powering up everything and make it work easy. Put on this screw here, and then we're gonna finalize this work, and I'll be gaining better fuel mileage. The truck will be great. They wouldn't sound like a kissing ear, so that's when you just know you just gotta pay attention to your engine. Your engine will start to you, man. If you want them special drivers there, you're paying attention to your engine. You'll hear when the engine talking to you. Yeah, it's some crazy to some people, but real drivers know what I'm talking about. That's it. That's what's really not need to do. Screw on in there, probably, no? They're falling in the crop, no way. Yeah, me neighbor they're fighting up. Alright.